Hello to you. My name is Jesse Johnson. This is a simple method to tell if Earth is flat or not. This method will cost about $200 to $500. Number one, get a theodolite. Number two, if it's a used one, it'll cost about $200 to $400. Number three, know how to use the theodolite yourself, or find or pay someone who already know how to use it, such as construction workers or city workers in your city, etc. Number four, get 5, 6, or 8 6 to 7 foot measuring sticks, most likely made of metal. Buy them from the hardware store. Number 5, go to a calm lake that's no less than 1 mile long and or wide. No less than 1 mile or 5,280 feet long and or wide. Measure the lake for accuracy and assurance. Number 6, buy a carpenter's water level to measure flawless verticality of the measuring sticks once you stand them up in the lake's water. Number 7, place the measuring sticks several hundreds or more feet apart at the lake water's edge bank. Number 8, make certain all measuring sticks are totally and exactly even with each other, even with the lake water level at the bank, at the same markings on the measuring sticks. All equal, point for point, above the water at 5 feet above the water. Only 1 mile of lake water is needed to do this. To continue, number 9, the theodolite is gauged at 5 feet also. All flawlessly equal and perfectly horizontally level with all measuring stick systems. Number 10, put the theodolite on a piece of plywood and make the plywood flush balanced with the lake water at the bank. Number 11, look through the theodolite to see if one of 3 things is the case. Please look at this illustration. Hold on, I'm going to move the camera. Now let's continue. Once again, look through the theodolite to see if one of 3 things is the case. A, this here's the theodolite. This is A, B, C, D. This here's the theodolite. The theodolite. This here's the plywood right up under it, the plywood. This here is just the bank of the land right here. This here's a lake that is 50 to 80 feet across, or 1 single mile. This here's the measuring sticks at several or more hundreds of feet apart. The theodolite is 5 feet exact above the water line. 5 feet exact above the water line. Now, below this yellow line is B, C, and D. If the theodolite is at 5 feet, but the last stick at 50 to 80 feet away, 1 mile in other words, is 4 feet and some odd inches, that means it is less than 5 feet. So such that if it is 4 feet and some odd inches, then the earth swerves upward. In other words, it is concave. It is less than 5 feet. Let's go to C. Here's the theodolite measured at 5 feet above the waterline. Here are the measuring sticks. If the measuring stick measures exactly 5 feet, 5 feet, 5 feet, then the earth is flat. Flat. It is equal to 5 feet, both of them. Let's go to D. If the theodolite is 5 feet above the water, but when you measure the measuring stick, it is 5 feet and some odd inches, or more than 5 feet by 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, or what have you, then the earth is convex in the shape sort of like of a ball. In this case, it's shaped like a bowl, like a bowl. This case is shaped like a ball, like a ball. Now, I would like everyone to share this video, subscribe. For all videos, write Jesse Johnson into YouTube, and stay well.